This is Papa's first startup. I charged the battery with Grandpa's thing, so I'm hoping to see a pretty bright light. Alrighty. Oh, that was hard just getting in with that giant jack. Alrighty, here goes. I'm not gonna hesitate. Turn on the key. Lights are always too. Come on, I can pull up the e-brake. Everything's kind of good. Came on. There it goes. Okay, go. Yeah. Yeah. Did you hear that? Fired right up. Awesome. Good girl. Beautiful. Wow. Beautiful.
Nothing leaking?
Sounded really, it fired up on the first keystroke. All my bills.
Hello, back here.
Oh, boy. The transmission's next, kids.